What's up guys, welcome to Science and Knowledge. My name is Shahbaz Ali and today we are going to show you first impression and hands-on video of most exciting smartphone, the new Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. So let's start the video. Buying a smartphone, the user most often gets an almost complete set of technologies currently available. Among such devices, only a couple can boast a complete stylus. There are the gadgets of the Samsung Galaxy Note line. Judging by a certain trend, even this model should have appeared a more affordable option, and all the comers waited for this moment. True, this smartphone cannot be called cheap either, because its price for the European market is more than 600 euros. But because of the camera blocks, it is quite different from other devices in the line, at least from the back. Another noticeable difference from the flagships was the frame of the screen. If the top models on the sides of the screens have a noticeable rounding of the matrix, then Lite models has only a minimal rounding of the protective gloss. True, I would not say that the new device looks much worse than older models, but yes, the design really turned out to be simpler. The mentioned camera unit is now rectangular. In Note 10 Lite, it is minimally elongated and resembles that of Pixel 4. I would not say that it looks bad, but subjectively, it would be more pleasant with the usual arrangement of sensors in a row. But the camera unit practically does not protrude from the case, thereby in no way interferes with use. The new Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite smartphone obviously gives us a clear idea of what to expect this year from the Galaxy S11 and its modifications in terms of design. Like its normal mother model, the device has an opening for the front camera at the top of the LED display, as well as a large square camera block on the rear panel. On the front panel, it is especially noticeable that the new phablet from the Samsung dispenses with the usually strongly curved sides of the display and instead uses a largely unusually flat panel. Because of this, the edges of the display looks a bit wider and similar to what we saw in the Galaxy S10e. At the back is a triple camera and flash, which are located on the rather large rectangular block. The main camera will receive a resolution of 48 megapixels, while other cameras can offer a wide-angle lens and macro or zoom lens. But he also has advantage over his prototype, a headphone jack. What is becoming less common with top-end smartphones still remains with simpler devices. All other controls and their placements here are the same. The buttons are located on the right and not on the left, and the SIM tray and memory card are not on the top but on the left side. One item from the list of simplifications of the Lite version is the screen. True, it is unlikely that he will disappoint the average user. The Lite version uses the Super AMOLED matrix, not Dynamic AMOLED, but also with a small round neckline for the front camera. The display resolution is 2400 and 1080 pixels, which is larger than the Note 10, but smaller than Note 10 Plus, although the diagonal of the display, the latter differs by only a tenth of an inch, 6.7. However, among the relevant Note, Lite has the lowest pixel density indicator, 394 ppi, 7 less than Note 10. The heart of the device is Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 and Adreno 640 graphics, as well as a pleasant trifle, a connector for connecting wired headphones. The Galaxy Note 10 Lite has a new S-Pen, connects via Bluetooth 5.1. Final conclusion: Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite may not be very similar to the top models. Repeats its main features. The smartphone looks quite nice. It has an excellent screen, performance and autonomy, far from the weakest capabilities of the camera and number of software improvements. But savings in places are noticeable. In the materials of the case, the lack of protection against water and dust, as well as the lack of support for induction stations. And in such a price segment, he has several very strong competitors who expect for the S Pen. We hope you will like this video. If you do, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Peace out.